Okay, so I found another nut that was in my stock, and that seems like it fits way better, and it gets the strings up off that first fret. Now we'll have to do some filing over there on the high E side, but it's way better. So let me see if I can give you a quick sound clip here. And I do think that the fret's got to come off. I need to sand the fretboard down, radius it, and then refret it with some new frets. So there's that, but at least this is what it is for now. Hold tight.